here's the plan. We got 2 waterfalls here at Maymont. It's starting to get towards fall, and the Blue Ridge Mountains are calling my name. So before we get up in the mountains and try to bring a toddler to tow, we're going to test my waterfall setup here. There are 2 man-made waterfalls, which are beautiful, and I think you guys might enjoy watching me struggle to find a composition at. And I'll spare you the long climb down the stairs to get them, as I don't think you want to listen to me huff and puff. But you can enjoy the Italian gardens here as we make our way towards the waterfall. Also, we appear to be gate crashing a wedding, or at least the end of one here. Here's the first waterfall, and my old nemesis, stairs, as you can see down to my left. I'll get down there, get set up, and see if I can't talk you guys through the composition we're going to do. And I'm losing my voice, so you'll have to bear with me today, but here we go. Alright, we're set up at the first shoot here. And we'll see if we can't wake this screen up. We're sitting at 2 seconds exposure here. This is my composition. And we've got a ND stop filter on. We're shooting at f10. ISO is at 100. And I'm focusing on this little bit of rock over to the side. You probably can't see off the glare of the screen, but here we go. And we're going to change and probably stack these images. So we're going to get another one over here of the flowing water. And another one in the center here. And we're going to get one more. Now we begin the long trek to the next waterfall, and in case you were wondering about the stairs, here's what I just did. So sorry if I'm a little out of breath. See you guys at the next one. Here we are at the second composition. You can probably hear the laughing around me. Quite a few people here, but we'll see what we can do. Wish me luck. Here we are at another little composition for the larger of the 2 waterfalls. Sorry about the aircraft. If you look here, we've got this little waterfall here I want to get in. And then the main shoot here and this beautiful Japanese maple off to the left. So that's what I'm looking for in this composition. If it turns out any good, you guys will see it. If not, you'll still probably see it. Well, unless the people that have been camped at the waterfall for the last hour decide to suddenly move, we're not going to get any more waterfall shots today. But I think we've accomplished what I set out to do. You guys will know before me when you see the photos here. There's a couple other places here I'd like to get some shots of. One of them is a rather large oriental garden and pond up here. You guys might see it in a future video because I also have done some analog photography here in the past. I just haven't gotten it developed yet. But we're coming up to it and I think you guys will like it. Fortunately, the pond's a bit of a bust here. See, it's all algaed in. We got some turtles out on that rock there. And if I wasn't all set up for the waterfalls and hoping to go back there, I'd probably break out the 1-400 and see if I can get a decent picture of them, but that'll have to be for another day. We're going to do a loop around the pond and see if the folks who have taken up residence at the waterfalls have moved on long enough for me to get a few shots in. You guys will know when I do. Sadly, even busier than before, but I've gotten a few pictures. I think we accomplished what we set out to do. So I'll see you guys back at the car.